The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, tow hitch, backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.